unprecedented amount of rainfall has produced an excessive amount of moisture, which has allowed for moss to invade many lawns across the UK. Moss is something that every lawn suffers from one time to another, and with spring just around the corner, we need to treat the problem as soon as the conditions allow. Moss will manifest itself and will choke out healthy grasses, as well as starve the grass plant of the all-important nutrients applied through fertiliser. There are various reasons for the build-up of moss in a lawn, but very damp and shaded areas are most at risk. Combined with limited daylight hours and reduced growth during the winter months, these are the ideal conditions for moss to form. It's most common on compacted soil, where you can experience poor drainage, and where the grass has been mown too short in the previous year. Once it's established, it will quickly spread, appearing as an unwanted and unsightly addition to a lawn. The application of a quality commercial product based on sulphate of iron, followed by a program of scarification and aeration, will keep the mosses at bay. This will allow for the grasses to grow and thicken as the temperatures rise, as removing unnecessary moisture in the lawn surface, and through strong spring growth, this will prevent the mosses from reforming.